This is the MANTA. This is another worldwide premiere for our machines. We are looking at a bed type machine with a combination of a rotary axis in the head and rotary table to get to the 5-axis. The target for this machine was to be flexible as much as possible, to offer a machine to customers that needs to have 5-axis job as well as very accurate other type of jobs. So to be able to go for a rotary table to a long fixed table and to be able to run the machine on dual stations. The piece will never move. Advantage, most important advantage, the weight. I can load the table with basically unlimited weight of parts and the machine remains accurate and fast.
Yeah, so 1,500 kilos you can get on this table.
Exactly. This is because of the structure of a machine, because of the configuration of a machine is allowing that.
I also noted 47 kilowatts in your spindle. Is this once again made by you? Is this all part?
Yes. Again, we are talking about spindles built by the GRUPPO PARPAS, which is our high-tech spindles. In this case, we have a very high torque, very high power, as well as a decent 12,000 or 15,000 RPM.
And your tool carousel is actually a drum type, but it's kept well out the way as well, isn't it?
To have the best out of the footprint of a machine. The machine, we are optimizing all different areas of a machine. As you said, the tool changer is in the back of the machine. It's a carousel. It can also be a chain in case other options, but this is to optimize the machine itself.
So final point on this one, who's your target audience?
Customers, medium, small size shop that wants to be able to machine 5-axis parts as well as all different kind of parts with high accuracy and fast. We have different spare parts points service. We have in central Germany, we have it in England, we have it in different areas. We have in North America. We have actually 2 brands in America. One is in the States, one is in Canada. We have another office in Germany, and these are all service and spare offices, as well as England.